What makes Applied Materials a leader in semiconductor technology? Applied Materials is at the forefront of the semiconductor and solar industries, enabling the next generation of technological innovation. In this video, we'll dive into Applied Materials, Inc., a leading force in the semiconductor and solar industries. We'll look at its market position, financials, innovations, and sustainability efforts. You'll learn about its key products, leadership, and growth prospects as we explore what sets this company apart. Founded in 1967, Applied Materials is a leading provider of semiconductor equipment, display technology, and solar energy solutions, driving innovation in advanced materials engineering. Mission: to enable the next generation of innovation in semiconductor and display technologies. Vision: to be the leading provider of materials engineering solutions for the semiconductor, flat panel display, and solar industries. In 2022, Applied Materials saw a revenue of $24.5 billion, with a strong market capitalization of $100 billion, demonstrating its robust performance in the high-tech sectors. Applied Materials is led by Gary Dickerson, a seasoned executive with extensive experience in the semiconductor and technology sectors. With an expanding portfolio in semiconductor technology and solar energy, Applied Materials is positioned for steady growth, especially as global demand for electronics and clean energy increases. The company is committed to minimizing its environmental impact through energy-efficient solutions and sustainable practices across its operations. Applied Materials' flagship products include semiconductor manufacturing equipment, solar solutions, and innovative display technologies that have revolutionized multiple industries. As a leader in semiconductor equipment, Applied Materials holds a substantial market share globally and is renowned for its technological leadership. Customers and investors both view Applied Materials as a leading innovator in semiconductor technology and sustainable solutions. Recent press releases highlight continued strong performance and expansion into new markets for advanced technologies. Economic downturns and geopolitical tensions are risks that could affect demand for Applied Materials products in key markets. Technological disruptions in the semiconductor and display industries represent potential risks to the company's competitive edge. Applied Materials is leading the charge in enabling next-generation semiconductor and display technologies, with a focus on innovation and efficiency. The company's investment in sustainable technologies positions it for long-term growth as the world increasingly shifts toward clean energy. Want to stay ahead of the curve in semiconductor technology and clean energy solutions? Subscribe for more insights on Applied Materials and its cutting-edge innovations. What makes Applied Materials a compelling company for investors in the semiconductor industry? With its market leadership, technological innovations, and commitment to sustainability, Applied Materials is positioned for continued success.